Hi everyone, this is Clem here again from the online flooring store. What I wanted to do today was put together a little video on some new stuff we've got that is a little bit different to the normal timber looking floor coverings. So what we've got here are some Spanish-made laminate that we're calling the Zenku Range. All of these are Spanish AC5 AC6 laminates, so they're very, very tough. They all have a 72-hour water warranty on them, so they're very, very water resistant as well. This one here is what we call the Zenku tile. There's many different patterns. This just happens to be one of them. We've got the Zenku Artec over here, which is a Chevron herringbone. And over here, we've got the Zenku Masterpieces, which is like a block basket weave kind of parquetry. These things are amazing. The tile, I guess, is going to be something that's going to be very, very different to what you're normally used to out of a floor covering store. It doesn't look like timber at all. It looks like mosaic tiles, beautiful Spanish looking stuff. There's really nothing else like it on the market that you can get. Great thing about the laminate is you can install it over top of, say, tiled floors with relative ease. You can put it down over top of an existing floor without damaging it. So if you're in a place short term, you can really pull it up and take it with you. But something like this is typically viewed as a forever floor. We'll have a look at the masterpieces now. So the masterpieces is, like I mentioned, it's like your block basket weave style. When you're putting these things together, they go together pretty simply. So your first piece goes down, and when you're bringing your next one in, you align this join with the grout line, or sorry, not the grout line, the join that runs across here. So all I simply do is bring it up, align the two, and drop. I'll just get it right and drop it in. Once that's done, you don't see any joins in the floor that are no joins that are created by the effect of the laminate. It just looks like basket weave block parquetry. It's an amazing product. And it looks fantastic. There's really nothing else like it. So very, very simple to install. It's very DIY friendly. It has a Unilin locking system, so you can put it flat and tap it together. So there's your masterpieces. Now the Artec is a little bit tricky too. So I've got 3 pieces of this to show you how to put together. So you'll see that the chevron runs this way, but you got to join here. So what they've done is these 2 patterns on every board are end matched. So those 2 will match those 2 at the end there. So as I put this down, so as I drop that end in, you'll see the join, if I get this just right, becomes barely noticeable. So that end join gives you that seamless look throughout the entire floor. And then this one comes in to complete chevron look. You just align any of these joins with any of these here. We're going to choose that one there. Just got to align this a little better. The first ones are always the hardest, and then that's together. So that gives you that chevron look that you're chasing without the price of chevron timber flooring. It's also a whole lot tougher. The pattern repeats are amazing. So if you want to have a look at this, on our website under Laminate, go to Zenku. You've got your tile. That one's the masterpieces and the Artec. All of them there, amazing products. You won't find them in too many flooring stores, so we can get this to you anywhere in the country. And if you liked this, please don't forget to like and subscribe so we can keep making more great videos like this.